Hello guys, you are welcome to example 2. I believe that some of us have made a trial and probably let's see what you have. Now, we are given a focus, a foci, that is F is equals to. Now, this plus or minus means what? Plus or minus C, comma, then 0. Now, what I notice about this, now we can write this one as though writing it like plus or minus C plus 0, comma 0, meaning that you can write it as plus C, comma 0 or minus C, comma 0. Now, what I can conclude from here is that our center is 0, comma 0. The center, that is what? Center is S1, Y1, this center. Center coordinate. Number 2, I can conclude that my C is equal to 5, plus or minus 5. So I haven't gotten my C as plus or minus 5. Now they say, and the major axis, major axis, anytime you are giving a question like that, they say major axis, just know that it is equals to 2A. Most of the time, they don't give us A directly in question, very rare. In fact, you always get your A from the equation of ellipse. But anytime they give you as a length like this is a length. A length will always what? Be like this. So that is 2A, which is what? 26. Don't go. I know many people go and use A. Some of you have saw me use A. You have failed it. I call it major axis that time from the equation of what? Ellipse. I brought it out. But if you are giving like single-handedly like this, you are giving as 2A. So you can be given a major axis is given in the question as length. So if I say the major axis is 20, it means that 2A equals to 20. If I say the minor axis is 10, it means that the 2B is 10. So don't make no, meaning that A equals to what? 13. How? If I go start by 2, so A will give us 13. That means A squared is equals to what? 169. Take that one down first. Now, if you have C, this C squared will now give us what? 45. That means square this one. 5 times 5 is 25. So that one is gotten. But I gave you for ellipse, I gave you C squared, the focus square, equal to major square minus minor square. Minus square. I gave you, if you remember this formula very well, because I needed to get my B. So to get B now, this one is 25 equals to C is what? 169 minus B square. So what we do is collect like B square equal to what? 169 minus 25. So this one give us 144. So B square equals to what? 144. That means B is equal to plus or minus square root of 144, which will give us plus or minus 12. So that is our B. So I haven't gotten our B as B square is 144. Take note of this here, and ordinary B is 4. So we can now get our equation. So find the equation of ellipse. The equation now, since center is what? 0, 0, normal equation. And where does it lies on? It lies on the what? It lies on the x-axis. So I'm going to write s minus s1 all square over a square plus y minus y1 all square over b square is equals to 1. So let me substitute all that. This is 0, this is 0. So it will end up giving us, it will get s square over a square is what? 169 plus what is y minus 0. Y1 is 0 also. So you have y square all over what? B square is what? 144 equals to 1. So that is the next one. So that is the equation of the ellipse of this one. Question 3 now. It says find the equation of ellipse given that the center is 2, 3. The center is 2, 3. Center is 2, 3. Now, since we are given the center, now we have the eccentricity E to be equal to 1 over 2. Now, since eccentricity is 1/2, you say find the equation of the ellipse given that horizontal major axis. That means 2a is equals to 20. Anytime they give you horizontal major axis 2a. Now, as I said before, these are the parameters given to us. 2a is equals to, the Bible goes by 2. We want to have what? A equals to what? 10. Now, having gotten that a equals to 10, what you are going to do now is, we know our center, which is S1, Y1. We know our major. Let us see. You know, I gave you C equals to AE in our video. Go and watch the video again, study the analysis of ellipse. Now, what is A? A is 1 over, A is 10. Then E is 1/2. I want to have 5. So that means I can say this one is plus or minus 5, because they always exist as a double. That means 2 sides. Now, having gotten that C, we have gotten A. We can now say C squared equal to what? A squared minus B squared. Very important formula for what? For ellipse. So C squared is what? 45. I hope you know that 5 squared. C squared will now be what? 25. What about A squared? A squared will now be 100, and 10 squared is 100 minus B squared. So we play with it. For let like 10, B come here. We have 100 minus 25. So I want to have what? 75. Now, if we have gotten that now, 75 B squared, no need to bother ourselves. Now, we are looking for equation of what? Of the ellipse. So we can say S minus S1. Now, why do I take S minus S1 as my first thing? Now, we need to know, because the major, if you check, we are giving 2, 3, that is S1, Y1. Now, the major is what? Let's assume the major line on the x-axis. So let's take it as A squared plus Y minus Y1 B squared is equals to 1. So if I got my A to be equal, A squared is equal to 100, B squared is equal to 75. What is x1? X1 is 2, so we are going to put it there. S minus what? 2 all square all over 100 plus, what is y1? Y minus 3 all square, that's y1 all over 75 equal to 1. Now, because we are not told specifically where it lies on, now they said it lies along the horizontal. Look at the horizontal major axis. That means the major axis is along the horizontal. So they have even make it clear. Excellent. They make it clear. So in that case, that's why we even put major along the. So if they say the vertical major axis will have been this one, why will have been this one will have been written first, then followed by this. So this is our final answer, the equation of ellipse. So please take note of that. Horizontal major axis, vertical major axis. If you say horizontal major axis, it means that it lies along the x-axis. Thank you very much. God bless.